So, my dear students, today again we are here with an interactive session. For a few days, we are having an interaction section where one of you asks some questions and others answer that question. And this is going very successfully. I think it is very useful. It will remove your agitation. It will help you to interact with anybody. So, today I am calling uh, just a minute. दीवान साहब आ गए हैं. So today I am calling Komal. So Komal, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Shabash, very good beta. Yes, come on Komal, start the session.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Perwa, and uh, today I am uh, asking you questions.
Hmm.
And my first question is what what is the value of time? This question goes to Madhu Didi.
Yes, Madhu. What is the value of time? Shabash, nice question beta. ऐसे छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन पूछो बस. Yes.
Time is very important thing for us and all,
Hmm.
because without time, sorry sir, uh, time, uh, we we waste time. If we waste time,
Hmm.
uh, we will waste a very important thing.
Hmm. Shabash.
And
Hmm.
uh, so we never we never sh- we should never
Hmm.
waste time and use it,
Hmm.
and um, we should uh, we should our all works in time.
We should do our all work in
We
time.
should do,
Hmm.
sir, yeah. And um, we should know uh, importance of time, and we should apply uh, in our life. That's it.
We should apply it in our life. Very good. ठीक है बेटा. बस कोशिश किया करो बेटा ऐसी. Next question, Komal.
Yes, sir. Uh, how can we save our time with the help of electric things?
Very good.
And this question goes to Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi.
So can you repeat this question?
Yes, Komal.
Yes, sir. How can we save our time with the help of electric things?
Electric things. Electric things or electronic things, beta?
Sir, electronic things.
Electronic things like mobile phone, like computer. These are electronic gadgets. How can we
Yes, sir.
save our time? Like washing machine is also an electronic device. So how can we save our time? Vaishnavi, very simple question.
Sir, I don't know about this
Oh,
question.
beta, you know. When someone will tell the answer, then you will realize that you know. Yes, Komal. Next, banda. Next person's name.
Yes, sir. Sir, Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
Electronic things is a very useful in present time because we can save our time by using electronic things.
Hmm.
when we when the machine make a lot of things like bag, tables, or etc. So
Your connectivity is not good. Audio problem. Audio problem. Hmm. Okay. Now, come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Sir, आवाज आ रही है?
अब आ रही है.
Yes, sir. Electronic things is very useful in present time, by which we can make a lot of things in less time, and and if a person make a lot of things, so they take a lot of time, and they can make very few things in a day, and electronic items can make a lot of things in a day. So in present time, electronic items is very useful.
बेटा सिंगुलर
That's
प्लूरल
it,
का
sir.
ध्यान रखा करो. वर्ब में भी
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा ध्यान रखो और नाउन्स में भी सिंगुलर प्लूरल का ध्यान रखा करो. थोड़ा फोकस करो.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोमल.
Yes, sir. How can we protect our environment?
हाउ कैन वी प्रोटेक्ट
This,
अवर एनवायरमेंट?
yes, sir. And this question goes to Rohit Bhaiya.
रोहित.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can protect our environment by following some measures like we can use we can use less vehicles that are run with the help of petrol and diesel, because they produce a lot of dust in small particles in the environment, and we inhale them and get fade. So I think that we should decrease the use of vehicles, and we should use cycles, and we should prefer the walking as a way to decrease it, to prevent the environment from the pollution. And also we can run many. Also, we can run electronic vehicles that helps to reduce the environmental pollution, and the environment will be clean. That's it.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Yes, sir. What is cheating and why should we don't do it?
शुड के बाद में डोंट कैसे लगेगा? व्हाई शुड वी नॉट डू इट?
Yes.
हाँ, दोबारा बोलो क्वेश्चन.
What is cheating and why should we don't not do it?
हाँ.
And this question goes to Harsh Bhaiya.
हर्ष.
Yes, sir. Cheating is a habit in which we are not using our own mind, and we are using the written or verbal thing of any other person, and it takes it in our use. And it is bad. It is bad because in this our mind will not work, and the work done by the other will be beneficial for us, and our mind would not sharpen, and we would not be able to do reasoning, etc. That's
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. यस, कम ऑन कोमल.
Yes, sir. And what is the water pollution? It is, and this question goes to Lakshmi.
लक्ष्मी का तो हो गया.
Sir,
खुशी. खुशी का ले ले.
sir.
खुशी.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Water is very important.
हम्म.
Water is very important for us, because water is necessary, because water save our life,
हम्म.
and nowadays water is destroyed and spoiled due to सर वो गंदगी
Because of
गार
because of
garbage
garbage बोलो.
garbage and many industry factories due to factories oil etc. So and people throw garbage on the river in the river and so we should save water and we should manage the rainwater rainy water and we should use it balance. That's
कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा, कोशिश किया कर, बस घबराया मत कर, है ना. हाँ बोल बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir. Is mobile phone harmful for us? And this question goes to Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Mobile phone is harmful because you can see that science invented many things like mobile phone, TV, electronic items, etc. And you can see that students especially use the mobile phone so much because they see some distracted videos and their eyesight becomes so weak and they distract from the studies.
Very good, very good, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ बोलो बोलो.
And they distract from studies and there are many diseases that they cause like brain hemorrhage and lackness of eyesight and they don't focus on their study and they all time watch mobile phones so much and they feel very pain and they feel very headache.
Very good, शाबाश.
And so sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा रेस्पॉन्ड किया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोमल.
Yes, sir. And my next question is which science gadgets are harmful or useful for us? And this question goes to Sushil Bhaiya.
Yes, sir. As you know that we are living in age of science and science has given us so many things. Although science has given us useful things and we use them in our daily life, and I think that there is no harmful invention of science. Yes, I can say that nucleus bomb and atom bomb are the dangerous for us, but it depends on our use, that how do we use them. Like our country use them to save us from our enemies, but some countries use them to kill them, to kill other countries people. So I can say that it is the invention of science are not harmful for us. So that's it.
Very good, nice answer. Yes, come on Komal.
Yes, sir. Why leaves have green color? This question goes to Gaurav.
दोबारा रिपीट करो क्वेश्चन.
Why leaves have green color?
Okay.
Leaves have green color because they have a pigment called chlorophyll in them.
Very good. Shabash. Next question.
Yes, sir. And what is the role of pen in our daily life and education life? This question goes to Rakshit Bhaiya.
What is the role of
Pen.
pen? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There is a very useful use of a pen in our daily life and educational life because we can say that without pen, education cannot be taken because anything that we want, that we are studying, we have to write it in our notebooks, and for this we want a pen to write it,
Hmm.
and so that's it.
Very good. Nice. Next.
Yes, sir. Why the rainy season is danger uh, for us sometimes? The question goes to Harshit Bhai.
Hmm.
Sir, what is the question? I could not.
Repeat question. Repeat the question, Komal.
Yes, sir. Why the rainy season danger for us sometimes?
Why? Why the rainy season? Why rainy season is dangerous sometime for us? Yes.
Yes, sir. Sometimes rainy season is very dangerous for us because we can see that sometimes in when the water is on the roads, then at the time sometimes some bacteria and fungi may take place in those water, and in this season we can see that mosquitoes in dirty places takes birth, and they may harm our health. So in this way, rainy season can harm our body.
Hmm. Very good. Hmm.
Yes, sir. And what is the difference between plastic and paper bags and which is useful for us? And this question goes to Kajal Didi.
Kajal.
Sir, also repeat the word.
Plastic and paper bags. What is the difference between plastic bags and paper bags, and which is good, which is useful, and which is harmful?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know. Yes.
No.
हर्षित का नंबर आ गया.
Yes, sir.
ओके, हर्षित का नंबर आ गया, हर्ष का आ गया, रोहित का आ गया, लक्ष्मी का आ गया, खुशी का आ गया, वैष्णवी का आ गया. कबीर.
Yes, sir. Paper bags are useful for us because why plastic bags? Um, Sometimes our cow eat them and die,
Hmm.
but paper bags we cow do
Hmm. 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 Not
it,
proper connectivity.
but
Hmm.
plastic bags are made in industries, etc.
Hmm.
But paper bags are made are we can made okay, paper bags by in our home.
Hmm.
So paper bags are useful than plastic bags. Yes, that's it.
Very good. Okay. Next question, Komal.
Yes, sir. What is our basic needs?
What is our basic needs? Muskan.
जैसे सर मैं बेसिक नीड्स कैसे किसने बतानी है
है?
तो किसने बतानी है जैसे
अपनी बेसिक
स्टडी या
नीड्स क्या
फिर
है?
ऐसे
अपनी बेसिक नीड्स.
सर we need we need food and water
Hmm.
and we and students need education proper education
Hmm.
for study
Hmm.
and and that's it sir.
Okay. ठीक है. Next question.
Yes, sir. What are the responsibility of a child to his or her parents?
Very good. Aditya.
Yes, sir. The, the responsibility of a child is to educate in school and read books properly because now time of father job for them but in the future our parents are retired in
Hmm.
and and they cannot job
They
so
cannot
so
do job. They cannot job क्या होता? They cannot do job. हाँ.
they cannot do job, and so this is the duty of a child to read books and go to colleges and university and take jobs from the camp from uh, the from that people who give jobs. Yes, sir, that's it.
ओके ठीक है, वेरी गुड। सबका आ गया नंबर? कोई रह गया? यस, नाउ दिस इज द टर्न ऑफ गौरव।
Yes, sir. So I'm asking my first question.
नाम मैं बोल दूंगा, किससे पूछना है आप तो क्वेश्चन बोल दो बस।
Okay, sir. So what is photosynthesis?
व्हाट इज फोटोसिंथेसिस? रोहित?
Yes, sir. Photosynthesis is a process in which green plants make their food with green plants make their food with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, etc. And it is very useful process for the plants to make their food and store it in the form of starch.
Right.
नेक्स्ट।
So what is the use of AI? Means if we learn AI at this age, so what will be its use in the future?
सॉरी?
Sir, if we learn about AI
एआई?
and ma-
Okay.
and mastered
What is the
it,
use
so
of AI in future? What is the importance of AI? This is his question. Very simple question. AI. Harsh?
Yes, the use of AI means artificial intelligence is very useful in today's life because if at a child's age we will learn artificial intelligence or coding or technical things, then it will be very useful as a side habit of our own. That will create more opportunities for us to get more jobs. That's it.
Hmm.
right. So why is Diwali the most favorite and the most celebrated in Hindus?
Why is Diwali most celebrated festival of Hindus? Lakshmi?
Diwali is a Diwali is celebrated because Sri Ram came 14 year after
Came
in
back to Ayodhya after 14 years.
yes
घबराए
sir,
मत, सही ढंग से बोला। हाँ।
came back to Ayodhya after 14 years
Hmm.
and due to the people light Deepaks and
Due to क्यों लगा रही है?
people are
Because of it या so ऐसे बोलो।
because of it people like Deepak and people are very happy in this day
In this day, नहीं, this
and
day, on this day.
on this day and people decorate their houses and shops and they clean their shops and house.
Hmm.
They purchase a lot of things. That's it, sir.
Very good. Hmm. Next.
Well, the question could have another answer. I was thinking of that because children like it.
Okay.
I was just
This is
thinking
his own
about the
way of
profit of
thinking.
children.
That why didn't you say that children like this festival? This is the most favorite festival of children, particularly
Yes, sir.
of Mr. Gaurav.
Uh,
Yes, come on, next question, Gaurav.
yes, sir. So, why is school important and what's the date that are not completed in the. No, the question
ऑडियो
is,
सही नहीं है तुम्हारा, सही करो और बैठ जाओ एक जगह टिक के
sir,
तुम। हाँ।
so why is Indian education system bad?
Indian?
Education system.
Okay. Why Indian education system is bad? खुशी?
Yes, sir. Education. Education is very important for everyone's life.
Shabash.
So nowadays education, because generation are increased day by day, and and uh, our India has 30 about 37% poor in live.
Hmm.
So education, uh, and there and there are a lot of villages in India.
Hmm.
Uh, it has low education.
Hmm. Why the standard of education is low?
uh, because many people have no knowledge
Hmm.
for important education,
Hmm.
and India is India has developed developing day by day,
Hmm.
and so
Okay. Anyone can answer? Is there anyone who can answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on,
Sir,
Ruchi.
can I answer? Yes,
In
sir.
short, in
Because
short, in short.
yes, sir. In one line.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Because the education system of India is based on rote learning, not on the basis of understanding.
Anyone else? Only in one sentence?
Sir, please repeat the question.
Oh my God.
Sir, मैं बताऊं question क्या
Why
was the
our
answer?
education system is not good? Yes.
Sir,
Hmm.
because the teachers and the education department only think about money.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir,
yes, sir. So many villagers can't go to city side because of money.
Okay. Anyone
They
else?
can take
हाँ. Okay. Yes, hurry up. Different होना चाहिए. Yes,
Can
Sushil.
I, sir? Yes, sir. Sir, because this system never make student to think, and it never make them to develop their thinking capacity.
Very good.
So that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. सबका अच्छा है. सबके अपने अपने थॉट्स है. वेरी गुड. शाबाश. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गौरव.
Yes, sir. What was the first avatar of Lord Vishnu?
यार ऐसे मत पूछिए थे टिपिकल क्वेश्चन है यार. तो अब क्या वो सिंपल से क्वेश्चन पूछ यार.
सर तो सबको पता है.
ओके. कोमल. कोमल doesn't know. Do you know?
Sir, please repeat the question.
Repeat the question.
What was the first avatar of Lord Vishnu?
First avatar of Lord Vishnu. Does anyone know?
Sir, Harsh.
Yes.
Sir, Lord Rama.
Lord Ram? No, yaar.
Lord Krishna.
No. You now, Gaurav will answer this question. Yes, you know. Tell. Eh?
Matsya.
Matsya. Right. Correct answer. Very good.
Yeah.
Sir, Matsya कौन
मत्स्य
है?
का मतलब होता है मछली के अवतार में आए थे सबसे पहले वो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गौरव. हरी अप.
Yes, sir. So why is English important?
Why is English important? Why is English important? कोमल तुमने तो दिया नहीं था ना आंसर इसका इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन का. तो तुम बोलो कोमल.
Yes, sir. English is the very important subject and language also because it is an international language also, and it becomes us
It makes us बेटा. becomes कैसे आएगा?
yes, sir. It makes us it makes us very confident when speaking, listening, and writing,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
And it helps in our daily life and business life also. And in with the help of English, we can go, if we go to other countries, we can communicate to each other and
Hmm.
other person. That's it.
Very good. Shabash. Shabash, beta. Next question.
Yes. So, why is business more? Uh, why is business good than job?
Rakshit. ये हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Business is more because in business we can earn too much money as compared to jobs.
Okay. Next question. छोटे छोटे से आंसर दे रहा
Yes,
हूँ.
sir. So, uh, why society, the people of society always bring us down by demotivating us?
Okay. Vaishnavi.
So because they humiliate us and they think that we are very low.
We are incapable.
We are very incapable from them,
From
and
them नहीं. We are incapable. We can do nothing.
we can do nothing. And they make they make joke on us on us,
Hmm.
and and they always uh, try to create this situation that we demotivate that we
शाबाश.
that we demotivate
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा.
and
I congratulate you not for answer but for understanding the question.
yes,
Shabash. Your answer was very nice. Very good. Next question.
Yes, sir. So, why should we avoid those humiliations?
Huh?
Sir, why should we avoid those people?
Ah. Why should we avoid such people? Madhu. Such people who humiliate us, who make our fun.
Because they always demotivate us,
Hmm.
and if we listen to them,
Hmm.
we do not
We cannot. Uh,
we cannot proper any
we cannot do.
work.
We cannot do
We cannot do any
work
work
properly. Shabash. Very good.
properly,
Uh,
and if we get success,
hmm.
we we will avoid them and
If we
those
want to
peoples.
get success,
If
if we
we
want
want
to
to
get
get success,
success,
we
we must avoid them.
we should we must avoid them,
Ah.
and um, we don't
Should not.
we should not listen those peoples,
Hmm. People
and
नहीं. हाँ.
people,
कोई बात नहीं बोल.
and always focus on our success and on our uh, goal
Hmm.
and achieve it. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला अभी तूने. Next question.
Yes, sir. So, what day is tomorrow?
आदित्य.
Not the Saturday,
और
Monday.
चुप रहे. वो आंसर दे देगा अपने आप. वो तो समझता है. वो बच्चा नहीं है वो.
Yeah, written. Sir, please written.
यही तो बात है. हमको पता था कि तू ये छोटे से क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी नहीं दे सकता. सोच समझ के तेरा नाम लिया है हमने बेटा. ऐसे थोड़ी ले लिया आदित्य.
Revise the
You are
question.
not focused. You don't know what is going on in the class. This is the great problem. I have lost your chance. Muskan,
So Saturday?
सैटरडे गधे एक वर्ड का
अरे
आंसर
सर
था.
वैसे नहीं, कोई फेस्टिवल टाइप में.
कोई फेस्टिवल क्या फेस्टिवल टाइप में? फेस्टिवल टाइप में
अरे
माने
कारगिल विजय दिवस है.
कारगिल विजय दिवस है, वो तो हम रोजाना याद रखते हैं उसको. तो हमको एक दिन थोड़ी है उसके लिए. हमारे लिए रोजाना हम हमारे शहीदों का सम्मान करते हैं. रोजाना we always respect our army, our martyrs, those
Yes, sir.
who have sacrificed their lives for the country. So we are not depend only on one day. Yes, come on, next question.
Yes, sir. So,
ये क्या सुनना चाहता
why
है?
is an
What
army?
he wants to listen, and he becomes so much sorry when he sees that the questions that he expects not getting. He's not getting the answers that he expects. Yes, come on, next question.
Yes, sir. So, why is an army important for a country?
Why army is important for a country? Kajal, very nice question to you.
Yes, army is very important for all country because they save our country for any
From
for
enemy,
enemies
from enemy, huh?
and they save our life and always protect us and very army is very important and that's it, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. शाबाश. Next question.
Yes, sir. So, what type of education should we give to the students?
Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So we should give education based on our visualization and understanding, and also that is related to our daily works and practical works, not only that is that can be seen only in books, and so that our mind can be trained for using that for using that education in our real life. So that's
Okay,
it.
very good. Shabash. Next question.
Sir, why is moral values useful?
Kabir.
सर मेरा तो हो गया ना पहले ही.
अच्छा, रोहित.
मेरा भी हो गया.
हर्ष का भी हो गया.
यस सर.
चल आदित्य आ जा. ये भी नहीं सुना होगा इसने.
सर बच्चे पर है, हम खा लो सर.
फोन आ रहे हैं मेरे
बच्चे को
सर.
मतलब
आज तो फोन पे फोन आए जा रहे हैं
ओ
खुद.
भाई आज तो बड़ा है भाई. आज तो ये बिजी है भाई. चलो ठीक है. ओके, द सेशन इज ओवर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.